This week was very tough for me. A lot of stop losses. Another stop loss. Another stop loss. Almost every position, but I stuck to my plan.
So basically, guys, this week was very tough, as I said. Probably, I don't know, it could be the emotion after passing the first one, but uh, I knew what I did wrong. I knew what I need to do better, and we see what the market will show us at the next week. Maybe we get on the tracks and we'll pass the funded account. But let me show you guys this position. Like overall today, I took short, which got it's good short. Like I just did the execution wrong. Here I just got stopped out by little. Didn't trade on Thursday. Yeah, here I didn't trade. Sorry guys, it was it was like the retard moment. Um, Here we just went off when the price was on overbuy, and it just swept liquidity and started to reversing. And here at the price after market open, we made big gap, get a very nice reaction up buys of it, and I just thought the price will go even lower, like in this time. It was week before because of the war, but I was wrong. It was just like intuition, not like looking at the chart really. So that was my most the most baddest. I don't know how to say it, like the worst. My mistake of this week, but okay, let me show you guys from lower time frames all my positions. That were all right, but I knew what I did wrong and I just knew how to improve. So that's it basically. It's all about in trading, just to improve. So basically, we sweep the lows. Sorry guys, I can't speak properly, but as you can guys, as you can guys hear, but I hope you guys understand me. But here basically we had very nice valid reaction after this big gap from opening the markets from the weekend. But we inverse this gap, break a structure, and I just enter base of it. I should enter sooner, but I didn't. It wouldn't change the position, like I would get stopped out. But basically, I shouldn't enter here. Just looking at the charts, we have only here a 15 minutes gap, but maybe after this and price is just starting to build a structure, but it wasn't my ideal concept. But uh, I we had 5 minute gap which got validated, good very nice reaction. I could, so it was my mistake. Okay, let me show you guys the second one. We saved those loss, but I didn't like understand it. Like I was in like crazy moments, something like that after passing the face way, fierce face, but I don't know. Fucking hell, it will be a long video. So I'm so sorry, guys. I'm very tired today, and I'm trying to do my best because I need to I need to like upload the video tomorrow. So the second position was uh, entering an overbuy, but I just should wait. The best lesson I just got from this week is just to wait longer for my position and got more confirmations because that's it. The most trades I took was just based on like my emotion, like I need to take it, I need to take it. Like I was just fucking retard at this point. But okay, I hope I don't get banned for this for saying that, but I don't care. But basically, if I just wait a little longer, it could be a nice, very nice short here. But I didn't, and I just took the stop loss. Center base of the gaps and something like this. It doesn't it matters, but as you can guys see, I just saw like sweep liquidity, and not even here. I enter even sooner. So basically, guys, I can tell you like And this position I could, because as I told you, we had a very nice liquidity sweep. I don't know where there was the big gap from the beginning of the week, inverse and break of structure, and it could really continue doing reversing, but it didn't have enough volatility. But this position was totally dog shit. I don't know why I didn't even take it. I wasn't patient enough, probably something like this. Emotion took over me. But okay, let me show you guys the another position. Another position was very nice. Basically, we just got stopped out by fucking Drake candle, and I don't even know why this happened. We had CPI over here, but I didn't knew the price will affect on this like at 8:20 because the CPI was on 1st PM. Yeah, somewhere here. I don't know. It was very nice position, but I couldn't do anything. Like it was the dire position of my model. Like we just sweep liquidity, build the structure, and retrace. And I enter base of it, just got stopped out, and that's it. On Thursday, I didn't take any position because the price wasn't volatility at all. I didn't saw the opportunity that I wanted to, and that's really it. That the Thursday wasn't my day, and I just leave the charts and tried to maybe. I looked at them, of course. The more for more. Phew, I looked at them so much, like the half a day, probably even more, but I just didn't saw the opportunity I wanted to. I knew what the price wants to enter this 4 hour gap over here and just goes down, but it didn't give me very nice entry because the price was very choppy. And today position was nice. I took that similar position to this before, and this one didn't play out. It needed more volatility to just go down. It was the bad execution, but overall I just enter based off getting into this 5 minute gap, of also 15 minute gap, as you can see, 3 candles, so it means basically it's 15 minute gap. So I enter base of it, inverse this gap, and break a structure on the here. So I enter base of it, but the price didn't want it to go here. When I entered, it just wanted to retrace even higher and just sweep some liquidity or to get more order field, and it just goes down. I had the entry here, but I was with my family on the not dinner. Dinner is like when the night's coming on, like break, not break, lunch. Yeah, exactly. I forgot. Yeah, that's on that lunch, but. So I'm really sorry, guys, for I'm saying, but I'm really tired. I just want to get some sleep, but I need to record this for you guys. I really think I learned a lot from this week. I knew I need to do better, but we see what the next week will show us, and I hope we got better positions, but in better everything. So thanks, guys, for watching, and see you guys in the next week.